got this fruit picker basket on eBay for $6.97, no tax, free shipping. But you gotta connect this to your broomstick. This is just a basket alone, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Wow, pretty big, eh? Come with this fastener to tie your broomstick. And this one is nice, come with this padding, so when you pull your fruit down, it give it like a little cushion so it won't bruise up your fruits. So you could have depends how pretty thick broom or thinner broomstick, depends on your thickness. Just put this and wrap around here, and then tie that with the flathead screwdriver. Pretty awesome. This one, if you buy this with the broomstick, they charge you about $40 on the Lowe's or Home Depot. So you could just get any stick and then just put it on here and then pull it down your fruit, and then your fruit will fall into this basket. All right, just a quick packaging for this basket. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below, and I will share you guys a link within the description. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.